Hello and welcome back to another episode of my indie game devlog series. Hope you had a great last week. In today's video I'll show you what I did last week, and as you could already read in the title, I brought some life to the game. Wow, surprise. Anyway, I want to show you what animals are added to the game, what these animals do and how they react to their environment, and most importantly, everything that went wrong trying to implement that. Okay, let's go. Oh, and a quick heads up, I decided to keep my videos as short as before, around about 2 minutes, but to bring several videos. Then you also have new videos during the week and do not always have to wait for the weekend, because that's what you're doing. Wait for your favorite YouTube. As a first step, I imported the model of a wolf. I think that wolves fit quite well into the game in terms of style. Imagine you're walking relaxed through a forest and then BAM! Wolves with magic. Yeah, that will be an epic battle. But until that can happen, the wolf has to be able to move, because currently it just stands around in the world and rotates to the direction of the player is in. Wolves have a sight radius. When the player enters it, the wolves smell the player and start to hunt him. So now the wolf is moving towards the... Okay, what the f***? Okay, I fixed it and I directly added a walking animation, and honestly, it would be much cooler to have a wolf as a companion, right? Maybe I resynced the system, but in this shot it looks very cool how both run together, right? Anyway, now it's working as intended. To manage all the states and also play the right animation at the right time, I decided to build an animal state machine for each animal. An animal can be either in the state idle, walking, sprinting, attacking or dying. This means that the wolf will also damage the player if it bites him. Since we have not only a wolf, but in the future other animals that are not so aggressive, I've decided to also introduce an aggression type. This can be aggressive, neutral or shy. Aggressive animals hunt other animals. Neutral animals don't care about anything, and shy animals run away from everything. With this minimal ecosystem, it also works that animals can interact with each other. Okay, let's say as it is, the wolf rips the fox a new one. But hey, I can now also hunt the fox and can have a great battle against the wolf. But what could these drops? Maybe we'll find out in a future video. I hope you enjoyed the topic around animals. If it has, then I would be very happy if you subscribe to this channel and leave a like there. Thanks for joining me in this episode. See you in the next one.